Shopfix. It's for the love of woodworking.
Now, I don't know which way the ceiling joists are going. So the ceiling joists are either going this way or this way. And that's gonna kind of determine where it's gonna be located. Basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna check how the studs are running. So we'll take our stud finder and we'll run it this way first. All right, so I'm not getting anything. So now we'll take our stud finder and we'll go this way. All right, so we got one right here. Okay. All right, so now we've marked where the stud location is. So we figured out, first we had to figure out which way the studs were running. So I wasn't sure which way, so we checked by running the stud finder this way, and we found no studs, and that's just because we were in between two of the ceiling joists, so it was never going to read any studs. And so we had the stud finder go the other way. We found one right here, so that means we can hang it anywhere along this stud. We're going to take our stud finder again, and now that we have more of the approximate location, we can take the stud finder and then do it again right at that mark. Okay, right there. Nice, right here. Okay, so now we have our mark, and that's going to be where we're going to be doing our pilot drill bit before we screw in the hook. Then you can get your hook, and then you can get your corresponding drill bit for the pilot hole, and then you can go ahead and drill that out. All right, now let's go ahead and screw this hook in. All right, here it is. So then you can go ahead and test it by maybe putting a little bit of weight on it. That's good.